Today, we're breaking down one of the simplest and smartest ways to invest your money, index funds. No fancy jargon, just clear and easy explanations. Let's get into it. So what exactly is an index fund? Imagine a basket that holds tiny pieces of hundreds of different companies' big names like Apple, Google, Amazon, and so on. When you buy one share of an index fund, you're buying a small slice of all those companies at once. Cool, right? Index funds track something called a market index like the S/P 500, which includes 500 of the biggest US companies. Instead of picking and choosing stocks, index funds just mirror the whole market. Why do so many people love index funds? Three big reasons. They're simple, cheap, and effective. First, they're low-cost, no-expensive fund managers making risky bets. Second, they're diversified. I made a video about what is diversification. You can watch it from my channel page. Benefit of diversification? If one company goes down, it won't tank your entire investment. Third, over time, they tend to grow with the overall economy. The S/P 500 is a list of 500 large US companies chosen to represent the stock market. Think of it like a team of all-star companies. An S/P 500 index fund buys shares in all of them. That means when the US economy does well, your investment grows too. Let's talk pros and cons so you see the full picture. Pros: low fees, easy to start. Instant diversification, matches market performance. Cons: you can't beat the market. It rises and falls with the economy. Top heavy. For most people, especially beginners, the pros easily outweigh the cons. Ready to start? Here's what to do. 1. Open a brokerage account like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. 2. Fund your account. You can start with as little as $1. 3. Search for an S&P 500 index fund like VOO, FXAIX, or SWPPX. 4. Buy your shares. You can choose a mutual fund or an ETF. They both work great. ETFs trade like stocks. Mutual funds are super simple. You just put in your dollars. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. Asterisk, don't try to time the market. Just invest regularly. Asterisk, keep your costs low. Check those expense ratios. Asterisk, stay consistent. Investing is a long game. Asterisk, consider adding international or bond index funds later. Index funds are a great first step to building long-term wealth. Set it and forget it and let your money grow. Remember, investing doesn't have to be scary. Start simple, stay smart. See you in the next one.